I've just dropped my car down to Jake, JE Auto Servicing on Instagram. I'll put it up here somewhere. Super excited. I've been waiting so long to get the stance of this car right, drop it down a little bit, space it out a little bit. I was going to go coilovers, but this is a bit of a stopgap until I go that route. It is just a road car, fast road car. So I'm not too bothered about spending the extra like $2.5 grand to get some good coilovers. So can't wait to see what he does. Honestly, the guy knows his stuff so well. He's basically BMW Master Tech, but he can work on anything. So if you're local in Berkshire, you're local to the sort of Newbury, Reading area, I'd really recommend reaching out to Jake. I haven't even seen the car yet, but I know he's good. So this video, the key reason I'm making it is I just quite like documenting everything to do with these M2 mods and my experience with the car. I still need to do a lot more reviews and experience type videos, but at the moment I'm just thrashing through some mods at the moment. And I thought it's really useful for you if you've got an M2, you're considering one, to see sort of the before and after, stock suspension, stock stance with a little quite good value mod to throw on it, see the difference it makes. And I'm hoping to get some handling gains out of this. There's not really anything wrong with the handling, except I guess it does have a very slight touch of understeer near the limit, but nothing much. So it'd be interesting to see how much flatter it corners, maybe how much more mechanical grip I get as a result. Obviously I'm going to do a geo setup, a proper alignment in a couple of weeks once it's all settled down. But I mean, the springs themselves are 220 quid off of, I think, ML Performance. Spacers were off memory 120 off, I think, eBay actually. And that was 10mm, 4 10mm spacers, longer bolts and locking bolts all round. They're made by Bimek, so they're high quality. I think they're forged aluminium, I think. So that should be good quality. And so yeah, thanks very much for the support on the videos so far, by the way. I mean, I'm not doing this to get views or subscribers or likes or whatever, but I am noticing that quite a few comments are coming through, quite a few views are coming through, and I just really appreciate the support and having sort of that interactivity with you guys. My whole thing about what I enjoy from social media is talking to fellow enthusiasts. That's what I do. That's what I do like about social media. There's a lot I don't like. So I appreciate the comment. So I love that. I dropped the car off to Jake Friday afternoon, evening, and I get a message. I woke up this morning, it's a Saturday morning, it was like 8 o'clock I woke up, and he goes, and he's messaged me and he's gone, there's a surprise on the drive.
Surprise, motherfucker.
I'm like, Jesus, already? So I looked down, blooming car's there. It's already done. It looks amazing. The stance, just right, but it's just a little subtle change, but enough for you to go, okay, it looks right now. You know, your spaces are just out now. Let's have a look. Once you get a car mod done, you drive it and then you go take some photos, mate. Mate, this thing looks so good. It really does. Look how aggressive it looks. fair to say I've shown you how good the car looks with the mods, but I want to go into how the car now drives with the mods, which I feel like a lot of reviews don't really go into. If you currently got a stock M2, you know, an OG N55, hopefully this will help you on your quest for mods, on your quest for enhancing your car and its stance. The first thing to report though is everything feels very OEM. This is a very OEM plus modification. Everything is very similar in terms of ride quality. I've got a bit more feedback through the steering. There's a slight hint of a little bit of a harder ride, but nothing more. I'm about to take you on a road with some speed bumps as well, just to show you how it behaves on those, and then we'll go on a country road and show you how it handles. But it's definitely a little bit more feedback through the steering. It feels a little bit more direct. I love the fact that in the mirrors I can just catch the edge of the tyre now, because it's sitting out with those spaces. I love that. I love flush tyres with the arches. So we're approaching the road here. It's got lots of those speed bumps that sit in the middle of the road, and let's see if we can hear it scrape. Because that was one big concern from me, was am I going to start damaging my splitter by lowering the car? Fine. We'll slow down a little bit for this one because I know it's a bit aggressive. 20 mile an hour, no scraping. And that makes me so happy, because I'm not ruining that lovely carbon splitter. More speed bumps, no scraping. What a result. Let's get on some country roads. That PCW exhaust mod doing bits. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you understand a little bit more of a review, I guess, of these mods. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you did. Let me know if you didn't. Simple as that. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.